Today we're rescuing this abandoned BMW from the drainage ditch and bringing it back to a spotless showroom finish. Let's begin the transformation. Let's move this BMW to the detailing area. Restoration and cleaning will begin. Thick snow foam softens stubborn dirt and safely prepares the BMW for a scratch-free hand wash. Using a soft microfiber mitt, we safely lift away dirt while protecting the BMW's original paint. The foam rinses away smoothly, revealing the car's deep shine. Now we deep clean the wheels and tires, removing brake dust and restoring the original factory finish. Every final wipe brings back crystal clear glass and a flawless factory-quality finish. Careful detailing of every small corner brings back the BMW's original factory-fresh appearance. Claying the paint removes hidden contaminants, creating an ultra-smooth surface before polishing begins. Now we polish the paint to remove light imperfections and restore a deep mirror-like shine. With the finishing polish complete, the original BMW paint now shines with a deep mirror-like gloss. Finally, we apply a ceramic sealant to lock in the shine and protect the BMW's finish for months. Every panel passes the final inspection, and the ceramic coating creates beautiful water-beating protection. Fresh tire dressing and trim restoration complete. The ceramic protection is complete. Watch it bead and slide away. From a muddy classic to this flawless showroom quality BMW, every detail is restored to perfection. The ceramic protection is complete, and every water bead proves this BMW is now protected. Every detail has been carefully perfected. This BMW now looks as clean and beautiful as that left the factory. From an abandoned classic to a showroom quality BMW, every detail has been restored with care. Every detail has been carefully perfected. This BMW now looks as clean and beautiful as that left the factory. What started as an abandoned, muddy BMW is now restored to a flawless showroom masterpiece. Thanks for watching.